In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc with Excel. We are going to walk through a simple workflow that lets you create a document in Pandadoc using an Excel file. As you follow along, keep your screen open on Pandadoc and have your Excel file ready so you can upload it without delay. First, you will sign in to Pandadoc. Go to Pandadoc and enter your login details when prompted. Once you are signed in, you should see the main dashboard area where you can create new documents. This step matters because the options to create, upload, and send documents are only available after you are logged in. Next, you will click the plus icon labeled with Create New and choose Document. Take a moment to look for that Create option on the dashboard, since different layouts can place it in slightly different locations. When you select Document, Pandadoc will open the document creation area where you can start building your file from an upload source. After that, you will click Select File and choose your excel.xsx file. When the file picker window appears, navigate to the folder where your Excel file is stored. This is the step where Pandadoc begins preparing to bring your spreadsheet content into a document format you can send and collect signatures from. Now you will wait for the file to upload. During this time, Pandadoc may show a progress indicator or a loading message. You should not close the window or refresh the page while the upload is in progress. Waiting ensures the upload completes successfully, and it also helps prevent missing content or formatting issues that can happen if the process is interrupted. Once the upload finishes, you will add any required fields if needed. Look on the screen for field prompts, placeholders, or suggestions based on what Pandadoc detects from your Excel file. If your document requires a signature field, a date field, or a text field, this is the moment to insert them. Adding these fields is important because they define what the recipient must complete and where information will appear in the final document. If you see specific field types that are required, take care to place them in the correct locations. For example, signatures should be placed where the recipient is expected to sign, dates should be placed near the date line or relevant section, and text fields should be positioned wherever the recipient needs to enter information. Taking a few extra seconds here helps the recipient have a clear, streamlined experience when filling out and reviewing the document. After you have added the required fields, you will click Send. Before you do, it can help to quickly scan the document preview area to confirm that the Excel content and any fields look right. When you click Send, Pandadoc will initiate the sending process based on the document setup you have created. Depending on your Pandadoc settings, you may be asked for sending details within that flow, such as recipient information or confirmation that the fields are ready. Follow whatever on-screen prompts appear to finalize the sending action. The key point is that send is the step that turns your prepared Pandadoc document into something recipients can receive and complete. And that covers everything you need to know. You signed in, created a new document, selected your Excel file, waited for the upload, added any required fields like signature, date, or text, and then clicked Send.